How to log in to Disney Plus on TV. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into Disney Plus on your TV using a code. If you're having trouble signing in, this method is quick and easy, so let's jump right in. First, open the Disney Plus app on your smart TV. If you don't have it yet, you can download it from the App Store on your TV. Once the app is open, you should see the sign in or login in the main screen and select it. Now on your TV screen, what you need to do is click on sign in and click that begin on the login process. After you select sign in, you will see a screen with a unique login screen displayed on your TV. This is usually the code you'll use to log in from your phone, tablet or computer. Now grab your phone, tablet or computer and go to the Disney Plus login page. This is where you'll enter the code from your TV. Once you're on the Disney Plus login page, you'll be prompted to enter the code you saw on the TV screen. Enter the code exactly as it appears on your TV. This will link your Disney Plus account to the TV. After entering the code, you'll be asked to log in with your Disney Plus account. If you already have an account, just enter your credentials like username and password. Now, if you don't have an account, you can just create one here. After logging in, your TV will automatically refresh and you'll be signed in to Disney Plus. And that's it. You're now logged into Disney Plus on your TV.